A panda is a type of animal that is native to certain parts of the world, particularly in Asia. These animals are known for their distinctive markings and coloring, which can vary depending on the individual. Pandas are generally found in mountainous regions, where they inhabit bamboo forests and feed on a diet rich in bamboo. They are herbivores, and their diet consists almost entirely of plants and vegetation. One of the most notable things about pandas is their unique appearance. They have thick, fluffy fur that helps to keep them warm in cold climates, and their distinctive markings make them easily recognizable. Pandas are also known for their gentle nature and are often seen as a symbol of conservation and wildlife protection. Many people around the world are fascinated by these animals, and efforts are being made to protect and preserve their habitats. In the wild, pandas are solitary animals and typically only come together to mate. They are also excellent climbers and spend much of their time in trees. Despite their gentle nature, pandas are also surprisingly strong and agile. They are well adapted to their native habitats and are able to survive in a variety of different environments. Pandas are an important part of their ecosystems and play a vital role in maintaining the balance of nature. They are also an important symbol of conservation efforts, and many organizations are working to protect and preserve these animals and their habitats. Pandas are fascinating creatures that are known for their unique appearance, gentle nature, and importance in their ecosystems. Many people around the world are working to learn more about these animals and to protect and preserve them for future generations. Pandas are native to certain parts of Asia, where they inhabit mountainous regions with bamboo forests. These regions provide the pandas with the food and shelter they need to survive. The mountains where pandas live are often shrouded in mist and cloud, creating a cool and humid climate that is ideal for the growth of bamboo. The pandas take advantage of this climate to feed on the bamboo, which is their primary source of food. Pandas are found in a few specific regions, where the terrain is suitable for their needs. They require a lot of space to roam and forage for food, and their habitats are often fragmented and isolated. The pandas' native habitats are characterized by steep slopes and rugged terrain, which can make it difficult for humans to access. However, this terrain is ideal for the pandas, which are well adapted to climbing and navigating the mountains. In their natural habitats, pandas play an important role in shaping the ecosystem. They help to disperse seeds and maintain the balance of nature, and their presence is an indicator of the health of the ecosystem. Pandas are also found in areas with rich biodiversity, where many other animals and plants coexist. These ecosystems are often fragile and sensitive to changes in the environment, and the panda's presence helps to maintain the balance of nature. The pandas' habitats are often threatened by human activities such as deforestation and urbanization. These activities can lead to habitat loss and fragmentation, making it difficult for the pandas to survive. Efforts are being made to protect and preserve the pandas' habitats and to ensure the long-term survival of these amazing animals. By protecting the pandas' habitats, we can also protect the many other animals and plants that live in these ecosystems. The lifespan of a panda can vary depending on several factors, including its habitat, diet, and access to healthcare. In general, pandas are known to live for several decades. In the wild, pandas typically live for around 15 to 20 years, although some individuals may live longer. Their lifespan is influenced by factors such as food availability, disease, and habitat quality. In captivity, pandas can live for longer periods of time, often up to 25 years or more. This is due to the fact that they receive regular care and nutrition and are protected from many of the threats that exist in the wild. Pandas are considered to be a long-lived animal, and their lifespan is comparable to that of other large mammals. Their longevity is likely due to their slow reproductive rate and their adaptation to their environment. The lifespan of a panda is an important consideration for conservation efforts. By understanding how long pandas live, conservationists can develop more effective strategies for protecting and managing panda populations. Pandas that live in captivity often receive regular health checks and medical care, which can help to extend their lifespan. They also receive a nutritious diet and live in enclosures that are designed to mimic their natural habitat. In contrast, pandas in the wild face many challenges that can affect their lifespan, including habitat loss, disease, and poaching. Conservation efforts are necessary to protect pandas and their habitats, and to ensure the long-term survival of these amazing animals. By studying the lifespan of pandas, researchers can gain a better understanding of their biology and behavior, and develop more effective conservation strategies to protect these animals. The panda's striking black and white coloration is a product of evolutionary forces, a testament to the power of natural selection in shaping animal characteristics. This unique pattern serves multiple vital functions, contributing significantly to the animal's survival and reproductive success within its environment. The contrasting colors act as a form of camouflage, breaking up the panda's outline and making it less visible to predators in the dappled light of its bamboo forest home. The black patches, strategically placed around the eyes and ears, further enhance this disruptive coloration. The white fur on the panda's underbelly and chest aids in thermoregulation, reflecting sunlight and preventing overheating, especially during warmer months. This is crucial for maintaining a stable body temperature in the panda's diverse environment, which experiences significant temperature fluctuations. The color contrast also plays a vital role in communication and social interactions among pandas. The distinct markings facilitate recognition between individuals at a distance, enhancing social cohesion and reducing the likelihood of conflict. The black markings may also serve a secondary function, potentially acting as a form of intimidation. The contrasting colors might make the panda appear larger and more threatening to potential rivals or predators, providing an additional layer of protection. This visual display is a crucial aspect of the panda's social dynamics, influencing interactions and competition for resources. The evolution of this distinctive coloration is a complex process, shaped by the interplay of various selective pressures over countless generations. Pandas with color patterns that improve their survival and reproductive success had a greater chance of passing on their genes, leading to the prevalence of the black and white pattern observed today. The specific evolutionary pressures that led to this unique coloration are still being studied, but the prevailing theory points to a combination of factors, including predation, environmental conditions, and social interactions. The panda's coloration is not merely an aesthetic feature, it's a functional adaptation that enhances its survival and reproductive success. The combination of camouflage, thermoregulation, and communication, all facilitated by the striking black and white pattern, has contributed significantly to the panda's success in its unique ecological niche. The relationship between coloration and survival is complex and multifaceted, highlighting the intricate interplay between an animal's phenotype and its environment. The panda's coloration serves as a compelling example of the remarkable adaptability of animals and the power of natural selection to shape their physical characteristics. Pandas are generally solitary animals, and they typically only come together to mate or to care for their young. They have a large home range, which they mark with scent to keep other pandas away. Despite their solitary nature, pandas do have a complex social structure. They use scent markings to communicate with other pandas, and they can recognize the scent of individual pandas. Pandas will occasionally interact with each other, especially during the breeding season. During this time, males will often engage in displays of dominance and aggression, while females will choose a mate based on factors such as dominance status and genetic quality. After mating, the female panda will give birth to 1 or 2 cubs, which she will care for on her own. The cubs will stay with their mother for about a year, during which time they will learn important survival skills and social behaviors. As the cubs grow and mature, they will begin to venture out on their own and establish their own home ranges. They may occasionally encounter other pandas, but they tend to avoid each other unless it's for mating or other specific reasons. Pandas are not typically social animals, but they do have a complex communication system that allows them to interact with each other when necessary. They use a variety of vocalizations, body language, and scent markings to convey information and express their intentions. In areas where pandas are cared for by humans, they may be kept in pairs or small groups, allowing them to interact with each other in a more controlled environment. This can provide valuable insights into their social behavior and help conservation efforts. By studying the social behavior of pandas, researchers can gain a better understanding of their biology and behavior and develop more effective conservation strategies to protect these amazing animals. Pandas live in the wild in mountainous regions, where they inhabit bamboo forests and feed on a diet rich in bamboo. These regions provide the pandas with the food and shelter they need to survive. The pandas' native habitats are characterized by steep slopes and rugged terrain, which can make it difficult for humans to access. However, this terrain is ideal for the pandas, which are well adapted to climbing and navigating the mountains. In the wild, pandas are solitary animals and typically only come together to mate. They have a large home range, which they mark with scent to keep other pandas away. Pandas are excellent climbers, and they spend much of their time in trees. They use their powerful arms and sharp claws to climb and maneuver through the branches, and their thick fur helps to protect them from the elements. The pandas' diet consists almost entirely of bamboo, which is abundant in their native habitats. They eat different parts of the bamboo plant, including the shoots, leaves, and stems. Pandas are well adapted to their native habitats, and they have a number of physical and behavioral traits that help them to survive in these environments. For example, their thick fur helps to keep them warm in cold temperatures, and their ability to climb trees allows them to escape danger and find food. Despite their adaptations, pandas in the wild face many challenges, including habitat loss and fragmentation, disease, and poaching. These threats can have a significant impact on panda populations, and conservation efforts are necessary to protect these amazing animals. In their natural habitats, pandas play an important role in shaping the ecosystem. They help to disperse seeds and maintain the balance of nature, and their presence is an indicator of the health of the ecosystem.